Hello dear students, last lecture we have studied definition and purpose of approximate estimate. After this we are going to see different methods or types being used for calculating and finding out the approximate estimate of the different types of civil engineering structure. So first one will be the plinth area method or square meter method. Second one, cubical content method. Third one will be the service unit method. Fourth, typical bay method, and last one will be the approximate quantity method. So basically, as we are deciding, as the name suggests, for different kind of situation different methods are used. We are discussing one by one in detail. First type of approximate estimate is plinth area method. This method is based on the plinth area of building. Before going to start this method, first we have to know what is plinth area. Even though we learned this in building drawing last year, let's revise it once again. The plinth area is the built-up covered area of building measured at floor level of any story. This area is calculated by taking the external dimensions of building at floor level excluding plinth offset. In this, courtyard, open areas, balconies, cantilever projections are not included. Now you understand what a plinth area is. Let's explain this method. In this method, first we calculate the plinth area of a building and then multiply this area by the plinth area rate. These rates are obtained from a similar building having similar specification, height, and construction in the locality. Then formula by this method, approximate estimate is equal to total plinth area in square meter multiplied by plinth area rate. For story building, the plinth area estimate is prepared for each story separately. One example is there. The approximate cost of building having plinth area of 150 square meter and rate about rupees 1200 per square meter. We know the formula approximate estimate is equal to total plinth area. Here plinth area is 150 square meter and rate is 1200 per square meter. Therefore approximate estimate is equal to 150 multiplied by 1200 is equal to rupees 1,80,000. This is the approximate cost by this method. Second type of approximate estimate is cubical content method. In this, first volume of building obtained by multiplying the plinth area with the height of a building. You know how to calculate plinth area. Height should be taken from the floor level to top of roof. For story building, the height should be taken between the floor level of one story to top of the next higher floor. In case of sloping roof, height is measured from floor to center of slope of projection. Foundation, plinth and parapet above the roof are not taken into the account while calculating the volume of a building. This volume or cubic content is multiplied by the rate per cubic volume of similar building in the locality. Therefore, the approximate estimate by this method is equal to volume of a building multiplied by rate per volume. Then one example is here. Approximate cost of a building of cubic content of 450 cubic meter and rate about rupees 400 per cubic meter. Then we know the formula approximate estimate volume of building in cubic meter multiplied by the rate of construction per volume. Here volume is 450 cubic meter and rate is 400 per cubic meter. Therefore the approximate estimate is equal to 450 multiplied by 400. There is equal to rupees 1,80,000 approximate cost of a building by this method.